Okay, Sarah, see if you can find a t-shirt. A t-shirt. Off you go. Sarah? Hi, I'm Gemma Perry and welcome to Mooncake, where ESL teaching is made easy. If you're new here, then you need to know that I make weekly ESL teaching tip videos to help you improve your English teaching. So if you are teaching ESL abroad, make sure you subscribe below and hit that notification bell for weekly ESL teaching tips. Also, real quick, if you are new here, say hi in the comments below and let me know where in the world you are teaching. Teaching online can be tricky, most especially if you're used to classroom-based teaching. Because we don't have access to the materials we usually use when teaching face-to-face, it's easy to get lost and not know where to start. But actually, a lot of the basics are still the same, and we just need to apply them to online teaching. For example, lesson planning is essential because the structure and the flow of your class will determine just how well it goes. So if you need some tips on lesson planning or how to get set up for online teaching professionally, then make sure you check out this series right here where I go through all the basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Mooncake PPTs to help your students learn and practice new vocabulary. Now, today's PPT teaches clothing and is available for free on the Mooncake English website linked below. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, just like any other class, we need to start with a warm-up. For young learners, I like to use a song or a nursery rhyme as this works really well to capture students' attention. Now, this could be a song that students have learned previously and they really like, or one that is related to the subject of the day. For example, if your clothes have any red, any red. If your clothes have any red, any red. If your clothes have any red, put your hands on your head. If your clothes have any red, any red. Next, we're going to transition into introducing our PPT. To do this, we're going to introduce Jimmy. Now, Jimmy is a little shy, so we're going to have the whole class chant together. Jimmy, Jimmy, where are you? Jimmy, Jimmy, where are you? As students are chanting all together, you're going to switch your screen to that PPT presentation. This transitions really nicely without losing students' attention. Next, Jimmy's going to say hello, and you can have students practice a dialogue with Jimmy. For example, they might ask questions like how old are you, or what's your favorite color, anything that students might have previously learnt. Next, explain that Jimmy has just finished hanging his washing and that he wants to show us his washing line. Introduce the washing line using chants and TPR as you do. Washing line, peg, peg, peg. Washing line, peg, peg, peg. If you're not sure how to use chants and TPR in your classroom, then make sure you check out my video linked below. And also, real quick, if you are finding this video helpful, then make sure you hit that like button as it really helps out the channel. Next, you can introduce the clothing one by one using chants and TPR as you do. T-shirt, t-shirt, short, short sleeves. T-shirt, t-shirt, short, short sleeves. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, the wind comes. And again, this is a great opportunity to add in some extra language like this. The clothes blew away. The clothes blew away. The clothes blew away. After chanting, you both discover that Jimmy is naked. Quick! Get dressed, Jimmy! Ask your students to help Jimmy get dressed by naming the different items of clothing. Now, you'll notice that in the PPT, a picture appears before Jimmy puts on any clothes, and this is to encourage students to say the word out loud or in a sentence before Jimmy gets dressed. Keep going again and again until Jimmy is fully dressed and students have practiced all the new language. Finally, before ending the lesson, ask students what they're wearing and see if they can practice that language in context. Now, you can see that as I've explained how to use this PPT, it flows very much like a story would, and this is how we want it to work in class. If students feel like they are listening and participating as part of a story, then it's much easier to capture their attention and encourage them to join in. So there you have it, a fun and engaging way to teach clothing to young students online. Today's PPT is available for free on the Mooncake English website, so make sure you check that out, linked below. And if you like this video, don't be afraid to hit that like button, comment with the word helpful in the comments below, and share with your fellow teachers. If you're looking for some more online teaching tips, then you can check out some of my other videos right here. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, or if you're interested in a teacher tea by Mooncake, you can find them linked below. And of course, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more weekly ESL teaching tips from Mooncake.